Hello guys, welcome back to my channel EDK. Today we are having a great updates from different companies and TCS last date of application is the 3rd April, that is today. And if you are watching, don't miss this opportunity. So we are having walk-in updates from different companies for different roles, guys. Let us get into the video. We have a biggest update from TCS. It is one of the MNC company. Don't miss it, guys. So they mentioned that make your skills shine in talent acquisition HR roles. They are looking to hire for HR roles. So here you can see requirements and everything they have provided here. TCS MBA HR off-campus hiring for the batch of 2023 and 2024 for TCS talent acquisition requirement roles. Registration open. They didn't mention, and end date is the 3rd April, that is today only, Thursday. If you are watching it today, don't miss it. If you are interested and eligible, quickly apply for this opportunity. Test date is 5th April 2025, that is on a Saturday. Application process: step 1, log into the TCS next step portal, and step 2 is register and apply for the drive. Scenario A, scenario B, they mention like if you are already a registered user in the TCS next step portal, then you can choose IT category and kindly log in with your TCS reference ID, CT or DT reference number, and proceed to complete the application form. And scenario B, like if you are a new user, kindly click on register now and choose category as IT and proceed to fill your details and submit your application. Step 3, select your mode of test in center and choose your preferred test centers nearby your location, and then click on apply. To confirm your status, track your application. The status should be reflect as apply for drive. Important notes also they mention here, guys. So eligibility guidelines: academic percentage like a 60% are equivalent CGPA in class 10 12th diploma if applicable, graduation and post graduation. Highest qualifications: candidates from the batch of 2023 and 2024 will below mention courses: MBA in human resource, or masters in human resource management, or masters of arts in human resource, and masters of social work in HRM, or masters of management studies in human resources management, masters of labor studies with a specialization in HR management, or a labor welfare or industrial relations or labor law, postgraduate diploma in human resource management, or postgraduate program in human resource management or equivalent courses. So these are the educational qualification requirements, and backlogs, gap, and everything they have provided here. If anyone interested, test details also they mention here, guys. Carefully read every requirement and every detailed information before applying for this opportunity. And today is the last date for this opportunity. If you are watching now, don't miss it, guys. If you are eligible, don't miss it and apply for this opportunity. Another biggest update from Quest global company, it is connecting walk-in drive, guys. So here you can see everything they have provided here, and they have updated officially in LinkedIn. They mentioned walk-in date is 5th April 2025 9 a.m. onwards. So Bangalore is the location, and this is a walk-in drive, and they are looking to hire for stress analysis engineer, repair, and required experience 2 to 3 years, and repair design engineer. For this role, they required 1 to 5 years experience. And another role, that is thermal system design or CFD design engineer. For this, they mentioned 1 to 5 years experience people can work in. So this is completely fresh, not freshers. This is completely experienced hiring. So if you are interested any one of these roles, like a stress analysis engineer, repair design engineer, thermal system design, or CFD design engineer. So these are the 3 roles they mentioned here. If you are interested and eligible, you can walk in, and required things for walk in: a hard copy of your resume, interview invitation printouts. Disclaimer: no DA or TA allowed. Only candidates meeting above respective job description should attend the interview. Freshers are not eligible. And main notes they mention here, guys, like please note the following instruction to ensure a smooth process. Attach all the QR codes for your reference. You have to scan QR code and apply for this opportunity. If you get appropriate details regarding this opportunity, then you can interview invitation printouts and walk into this opportunity. Then only you can attend. You are eligible. And main notes for registered candidates: please mark your attendance by scanning the attendance QR code upon your arrival. And the second note for non-registered candidates: if walking without prior registration, you will need to complete the registration process first. And third is a feedback submission. After the walk-in drive, please submit your feedback by scanning the feedback QR code located on the stand. So these are the main details. And experience required 1 to 5 years. Job location in Bangalore and Hyderabad. Venue: Quest Global, second floor, Embassy Tech Village, Bangalore. Time for walk-in 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. And these are the details, guys. If anyone interested, you can walk in. So guys, we have a great update from 24/7.ai company. It is a connecting walk-in interview for international short process. So it is a completely freshers hiring. Location is Uppal, which is in Hyderabad. You must have key skills, US shift and international BPO. So dates of walk-in 3rd and 4th April 10:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. Location also they mention here IDA Uppal, Apsikuda, Hyderabad. So interview date time and the date of joining is 17th April 2025. Job description also they mention here. The primary role of an agent is to provide service to the customer over a chat and provide resolution accordingly. And the requirements and everything they have provided. Interview process like first one is the personal introduction round, second online assessment, finally interview. So guys, if you have any doubts, you can once look at my channel. I have provided inter process regarding a voice and non-voice process in a 24/7.ai company. So that is if you watch it carefully, then you will get an idea regarding inter process before walking for this opportunity, guys. Don't miss it. If you are interested, you can walk in. Another great update from CGI, which is biggest company. It is looking to hire for the role data engineer, and the location is Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad. Employment type is full time. So programming languages like Python, PySpark, Big Data Tech, Databricks, Spark, Hive. Cloud like AWS, databases like DMS and NoSQL, shell scripting. Skills required Python, Teradata, Hadoop, Hive. So these are the requirements. If anyone interested, you can apply, guys. I will mention link in the description. One of the great update from Genpact, it is a connecting virtual drive for collections voice process. So you don't need to walk in for this opportunity. You can attend for this drive virtually at home only. So date of virtual drive is the 3rd April. Location is Hyderabad. They mentioned 0 to 1 year experience people can attend for this opportunity. Uppal, Hyderabad is the location. You must have key skills voice process. So time for time for joining 11:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. So meeting ID and password they have provided here. So everything they mention here. If anyone interested, required skills: commerce graduate, excellent communication skills, verbal and written, accounting knowledge. So these are the details. If anyone interested, don't miss it. Wipro connecting walk-in for freshers like April 2nd to 4th April. So it is a completely freshers hiring. They have 60 vacancies. Hyderabad is the location. You must have key skills, communication, spoken English, fluent English. So as I mentioned, the dates of walk-in 3rd and 4th April 9:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. Location is financial district, Gachibowli, Nanakramuda, Hyderabad. Required skills: excellent English communication, basic knowledge in Excel. So specification, they are looking for any graduate should hold the documents from 2022 to 2024. Should have documents of provisional and consolidated marks minimum mandatory. Required documents for interview: updated resume, recent passport size photograph, Aadhaar card, original and a Xerox copy, provisional certificate of graduation, Xerox copy. So these are the main details. If anyone interested, you can walk in, guys. Firstsource is a connecting work for non-voice, which is a customer support associate. They mentioned 0 to 2 years experience. People can walk in to this opportunity. 100 vacancies. It's a very good number. Bangalore is the location. You must have key skills, international non-voice. So dates of walk-in from 3rd April to 11th April, 11:30 a.m. to 2 p.m. Contact person in Lakshya. Number also they have provided here. Key responsibilities and qualification and additional details. Everything they have provided here. And may note, BE, BTech or BSc, PG freshers are not eligible for this walk-in opportunity. If you are interested, you can walk in, guys. CGS is hiring for voice process. For if you know Hindi, English, you can attend for this opportunity. They mentioned 0 to 4 years experience. People can walk in for this opportunity. This is a freshers and experienced hiring. Hyderabad is the location. Key skills: English, Hindi, and the dates of walk-in like 31st March to 6th April. They mentioned. So you have time for walk-in from today onwards, like 3rd April to 6th April, and 10 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. is the walk-in time. Contact you can contact HR, and the location also they mention here, and walk in interview details and everything they have provided here. If you are interested, don't miss it, guys. Data Marshall is a hiring for the role AI junior analyst. It is a completely freshers hiring, 50 vacancies. Hyderabad is the location, Iramanjal Colony. You must have key skills, excellent communication in English. So dates of walk-in 3rd and 4th April, 11 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. And the contact person name and everything they mentioned here. So location, Iramanjal Colony, guys. And if you are interested, you can walk in with your copy of your Aadhaar and resume. Don't miss it. Conduent conducting walk-in draft for international voice process. Salary they are offering 24K freshers, 5 days of working, and 1,000 vacancies. It's a very good number. Bangalore is allocation. You must okay skills, communication, voice support, international BPO. So contact person is for a contact number also they have provided here. Notice period immediate openings 1,000 plus positions. Experience freshers 10 plus 2 and any graduate. So job description also they mention here. If you are interested, you can walk in with your updated resume and original ID proof, Aadhaar or PAN card. So these are the details. If anyone interested, don't miss it. Indusind Bank conducting mega walk-in down for business development executive or a BDM is Hyderabad is the location. Date of walk-in is a 3rd April. It is a completely freshers and experienced hiring. Like it is a freshers and experienced hiring, and date of walk-in 3rd April 10 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. So if you are near to this location, you can walk in, guys. So walk-in date, drive location, and everything they mention here. If you are eligible, don't miss it.